Welcome to my live webinar. And today I am going to walk you through step by step on how you can build a WordPress website from scratch for free for your church. So this is going to be good. So let me just get everything situated on my end here. Let me just load up my audio, make sure the audio's sounding good. Let me just do a check, a quick test real quick. Okay, all right. Looks like the audio's working good. All right. I hope you're ready. Get comfortable, get comfortable, get comfortable. Get yourself some tea, get yourself some water, however you want to do it. But we are going to build a website from scratch for free for your church. And our goal is going to be to build a website that looks just like this one. It's going to be our goal right here. That's pretty nice, huh? So you got your header right here, your menu. You got your cool little image right here. You got a button to click to watch your live webcast. You got a few images here. Welcome to the cool church. Then you got your welcome video. You could put a welcome video from your pastor, from your newcomers team, from your PR person, public relations person, however you want to do it. Then you got a page for your live webcast. That's cool. You got a blog page. You got a small groups page. You got a podcast page. And you're going to have a contact us page. So, are you ready to do this? All right. First thing I want you to do is I want you to go to my website, PastorDre.com. So go ahead and go to PastorDre.com. Once you get there, I want you to click where it says free website. Go ahead and click right there. And that's going to take you to a page that looks just like this. Now, the first thing you want to decide on is your domain name. Where are people going to find your website on the internet? For example, Google.com is a domain name. Yahoo.com is a domain name. TheCoolChurch.com is a domain name. Now, this is a free website, so we're going to be building it on a subdomain. And what I want you to do is I just want you to keep in mind that even though it's a subdomain, it's for free. So that's why it's going to be on a subdomain. So what I want you to go ahead and do is decide what domain you're going to use. Okay. Sorry about that. I got interrupted here. Sorry about that. Sorry about that, you guys. All right. So what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and decide what you want your domain name to be. For example, like you got thecoolchurch.com or mycoolchurch.com, but that's like a regular domain name. But then on a subdomain, you would put something like mycoolchurch.siterubics.com or thecoolchurch.siterubics.com. So whatever the name of your church is, you could type it right here where it says choose your website name. So say my church is the On Fire Church. So I would type in the On Fire Church. And my domain name would be the onfirechurch.siterubics.com. I mean, that's not available, but I'm just giving an example. Okay, say your church is the Radical Church. You would type in your name here, the Radical Church. Okay, and it will tell you if it's available. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to decide on our domain name. I'm just going to call mine, let's see, webinar website. How about that? Webinar website. I'm just going to make up anything. And it's available. I could even put webinar church website. Okay. But this is where people are going to find you on the internet. So you want it to have something to do with your church name. Okay. Now remember, this is a free domain. So it'll come up on a subdomain. Now, if you want to buy a domain, it's like $15 a year. I think that's like 225 Rand a year if you're in South Africa, which is not a bad price. And you could buy a domain name and then forward it to your free website. All right, so let's do this. So once you type in your domain name here and it's available, I want you to click where it says build my free website. So I'm going to go with webinar church website. I'm going to go ahead and click build my free website. Okay, now, next thing you're going to do is it's going to ask you to put in your email address, your name, username, and password. Let me explain to you real quick why it's asking you this. This is a community. It's like Facebook for people, but for people that want to build websites, get traffic to your website, and learn how to, you know, how to get your online presence to another level. Let me put it like that. So that's why it's asking you. But once again, it's all free. There is a paid membership, but I'm going to show you how to do everything for free. The paid membership is rocking, but you don't need to do that. I'm going to show you how to do it for free. Okay. So go ahead and put your email, your name, choose a username, and then choose a password. I'm going to go ahead and log into my account because I already have an account. Okay, so yours is going to look, once you log in and set up your account, you're going to get a page that looks just like this. Okay, I'm a premium member, so I have these two available. Yours is going to say premium because you are on a free plan. No problem. Let's do it. Next thing I want you to do is click free domain. And now remember, you already chose your domain and you know it's available. So I'm going to do webinar church website just to say that's the name of our church. You put whatever you want. And then I'm going to go down here and call it my church website. A rockin'. I'm going to put my rockin' church website. A rockin' church website. Now, once again, you could put your church name. You could put, like, maybe your church has a slogan. Maybe you're the radical church. And then your slogan is the church that is radical for Jesus. So you could put something like that. Okay. Next thing I want you to do is go down here and choose this theme. You're only going to have one. Okay. Click that theme there and click build my free website. It's going to do what it has to do. It's going to take about 20 seconds or so. It is actually building you a website right now. This is not something you have to wait. Once this is done, your website is live, all the way live, baby bubba. That's the cool thing about it. So you could actually go to your domain name and see your website once this is done. There it is. All right, so let's go in and go to visit the website that we just made. There's our website. My Rockin' Church website. It looks like a blog right now, but our goal is to turn that website into this. Woo-hoo-hoo! That's going to be rocking. All right, so let me go ahead and log in. Let me go ahead and log in to my dashboard. That's what you want to do. You want to click where it says admin login URL. Go ahead and click that. Okay, I'm going to close that. Oops. What happened here? Sorry about that. I closed it too soon. So now I got to go back. Uh-oh, let me see. What did I do here? Okay, I think I closed it too soon. Too soon. Let me see if I can refresh this. Go to my Rockin' website. Okay, so what I'm gonna have to do is go all the way. I'll be right back. I'm gonna have to change my screen real quick to be able to log in. Just give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. What's up, fam? I just gotta work this real quick. Sorry about that. So let me just go ahead and do something really quick. Boom here. Let me go there. Let me log into my account. It's gonna take me about 30 seconds. So just give me about 30 seconds. I got to go log in. Dude, you can't see what I'm doing because I have to go log into my account. So let's see here. Boom, boom, boom. Go to my websites. My Cool Church website. View all websites. Just give me a little bit. I'll be right with you. Give me a few seconds. Okay, I'm logging in now. Boom, let me log in. Okay, there we go. So let me get this here. Like I said, sorry about that. Boom, let me grab this password and go ahead and close that and go ahead and close that. And then I'll be right back with ya. I'll be right back with ya. Okay. So now this is live. It's all the way live. That's what happens when you're live, baby bubba. All right. So now what I got to do is I got to log into my website. So let me go here. Now, if you ever, this is probably good that this happened. If you ever want to log into your website, your dashboard, this is where all your changes take place. You want to go to your domain name / WP admin. And then you click enter. And you can log into your website from anywhere on the internet. Now, it is usually going to ask you for a password. It's going to ask you for a username and password. And then you just enter the username and password that you got when you set up your website. When it said login, it gave you a username and password, and you can log in from anywhere on the internet. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. So this is our dashboard. This is our goal. And let's go see how our website looks right now. I'm going to show you how it looks right. This is how it looks right now. Once again, our dashboard, how our website looks, and our goal. Are you ready? Let's go. All right, first thing I want you to do is, now that you're in your dashboard, I want you to go ahead and go where it says, let me see here. You know what? Let me go fix something real quick too. I got one more thing to do because we're live on YouTube, so I got to make sure I fix that too. Boom. All the way live right here. So let me get the URL. Boom. We are all the way live. Okay, let me copy that URL. And let me just go to my website real quick. Okay, boom. Let me go here. Let me paste this URL on my website so people can watch. We are all the way live. All the way live. I'm just going to put it on Twitter and social media real quick. Okay, we are live. Boom. Let me put that there. Okay, go to my website. Go to my live page. Let me just broadcast to the peoples real quick. It's going to be worth it. Just stick with me. Okay, put that there. We are live, live, live. All the way live. Let's see here. Boom. Let's see, live webinar. Okay, boom. Okay, let me see here. Okay, that page found. All right, I'm just gonna leave it like that. All right, let's do this. I don't want to keep you guys waiting too long. All right, so you got your dashboard, right? So now that you're in your dashboard, so once again, dashboard, how our website looks, and our goal. Let's go. First thing I want you to do is go to appearance and customize. Click right there. Let's get started. All right. Next thing I want you to do, see where it says site identity? Go ahead and click right there. I want you to tick hide site title and make sure hide site tagline is ticked. Now, your site title, my Rockin' Church website, you can change your tagline to my Rockin' Church website. Or like I said, if you have a slogan, you could put that there. All right, go ahead and click publish. All right, next thing I want you to do is go back and I want you to go where it says settings. I want you to click right there. Settings. Okay. I want you to go ahead and select writing. And then I want you to tick where it says block editor. Tick that. Where it says yes, tick that. And then click save changes. All right. Next thing I want you to do is I want you to go where it says pages. I want you to click there. Where it says sample page, go ahead and trash that. Where it says add new, go ahead and click there. And then what I want you to do is we're going to name our pages. Now we got home, live webcast, blog, small groups, podcast, contact us. So we got 6 pages we're going to try to work right now. All right. So let's go ahead and go back to our pages. You can close that. First page is going to be home. So we just go to where it says add title, type in home, click publish. Okay. Next page, or you click the W and then click add new. And our next page is going to be live webcast. So let's go ahead and type that in, live webcast. Boom, click publish and publish again. Go ahead and click the W, click add new. And then our next page is going to be blog. Okay. So once it loads up, where it says add title, I want you to type in blog and then click publish and publish again. Go ahead and click the W, click add new. And I want you to type in small groups. Where it says add title, just type in small groups. Okay, boom, click publish, publish again. Our next page is podcast and contact us. So let's go ahead and click that W. Click add new. And now we're going to add our podcast page. Okay, so type in podcast. Boom, click publish, publish again. All right, click the W, click add new. And then I want you to type in contact us. Okay, where it says add title, contact us. All right, publish and publish again. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we're going to click this W. Now you have, let me see. Sorry about that. Let me go back here. Now you have 6 pages. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to our website. This is our existing website. Now I'm going to refresh so you can see all the changes I just made. Let's go ahead and click refresh. There it is. There's our 6 pages. Now you don't see much in the forefront because I did a lot of behind the scenes changes, which is going to come in handy. Now we're going to change it from a blog to a website. Okay, remember, this is our goal, and this is how we're looking right now. Don't worry, we're getting there. All right, so now I want you to go to settings, and I want you to go to reading, and I want you to change, see where it says a static page, I want you to take that. Where it says home page, I want you to select home. Where it says post page, I want you to click blog. Then I want you to click save changes. Okay, let's go to our website, click refresh. We're getting there. Now we're going to get rid of this stuff on the side, and we're going to get rid of where it says home. You can leave home, you can leave this stuff on the side, but I don't want it. I want it to look like this. Okay, so the way you change that is you're going to go to pages. We're going to go to our home page. Then I want you to select edit with block editor. All right, after you select that, I want you to go on over here to the right. See where it says sidebar layout? Click that and click no sidebars. Click update. Okay, see where it says disable elements, content title? Tick that. See how home disappeared? Watch when I click it. It cuts on, click it again, turns off. So let's go ahead and update that. So now what we did is we removed this home and we removed these sidebars. So let's go ahead and hit refresh. There we go. We have a blank page. All right, we're making progress. You might not see it, but we're getting there. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to add this we're going to change this color to blue. All right, so the way you change that colors, we're going to go to our dashboard by clicking the W. Then we're going to go to appearance. Okay, customize. And I want you to scroll down where it says colors. Click that. And then see where scroll down, see where it says navigation color presets. Click that and click blue. Then click publish. All right. Then I want you to go back. Then I want you to go where it says layout. Click that. Click header. And I want you to do header width. I want full. Inner header width. I want full. And header alignment. Let's go with center. Header presets. Let's go with navigation before. Okay. Go ahead and click publish. All right. Go ahead and refresh our website. There it is. We're making progress. We're making progress. All right. So now we're going to click the X and we're back in our dashboard. What I want you to do is I want you to go to pages. I want you to go to home and click edit with block editor. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add this nice image right here. Okay. So now that you're in your home page, what I want you to do is go here, click anywhere around here, and I want you to click this plus, and I want you to type in COVER, 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 and you're going to get this option right here that shows up. Click that. Now, what I have is I have an image on my hard drive. Let me see if I can show it to you. I don't know if I can show you the images on my hard drive, but I have a few images on my hard drive. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my hard drive and get those images. This right here is an image. Okay. So if you have a graphic designer or Maybe someone could take a picture of your church actually in worship or your pastor preaching, whatever image you want. Maybe someone fellowshipping after church. You take that picture, you upload it to your hard drive, right? And then you could take that image and you could put it right here. So I'm going to show you how to do that. The way you do that is you go to cover and then you click upload. Now I'm going to go grab my image. So my image is on my hard drive. So I'm going to go get that real quick. Okay, boom. Okay, here's my image. I'm going to double click it and it's going to upload for me. And then I'm going to click update. Okay. So it gives a little time because the image is a little big. So it's going to be a little time before it refreshes. So let me just go ahead and refresh my page. Okay. And you can upload any image you want. That's the cool thing about it. All right. Okay. So let's go ahead and see how our website looking right now. Let's go ahead and click refresh. Okay. Our image is there. It just hasn't loaded yet. It's going to take a little while. I think, okay, but it'll get there. All right. Now, in the meantime, what I want to do is while that image is uploading, what I want you to do is I want you to go over here, just click anywhere around here, around the top. I want you to get these options to show up. See, if you click here, they disappear. So you want to click at the top. And I want you to go where it says, where are we at? Choose where it says content container. I want you to click full width and then click update. Okay. Then I want you to click refresh on your website. Now see how it spreads all the way across? So now once our image is done uploading, it's going to spread all the way across and it's going to look nice. Okay, so let me just go ahead and make sure it's updated. Okay. All right, let's see if our image is uploaded yet. It's going to be nice. It's going to be nice once it uploads. Okay. So now while that's doing that, we're going to let that go ahead and settle. And then we want to type in welcome to the cool church. So the way you add that is you click down here on the bottom, anywhere underneath, and you just start typing. Welcome to the cool church. Boom. And then to make it bigger, you highlight it. You can bold it. You can center it by clicking these lines and click Align Text Center. And then you could come over here with typography over to the right and you can make it large. You can make it huge, or you could dial it in with your numbers here like that by making it bigger or smaller. So let's go ahead and go with 40. Then I'm going to click update. Let's go to our website, click refresh. Now we got welcome to the cool church. Now what we want to do is we want to put the church that is on fire. We're going to put the church that is on the move for God. So let's go back here. And all you got to do is go after your last word, click enter. And then you start typing the church that is on the move for God. Okay. And then once again, to center it, you click these little lines here, align text center, and you click update. Now you can make it bigger or smaller just by clicking it and choosing your text over here. You can do normal, you can do medium, you can do large. I'm going to go with the dial it in. Let me see. Let me dial it in to maybe, I'm going to go with 25. Let's do that. Then I'm going to click update. Let's go ahead and refresh our website. All right. So now we got welcome to the cool church and we got the church that is on the move for God. All right. Next thing we need to do is we're going to add these 3 images. So let's go ahead and do that. The way you do that is you click underneath your last word here, underneath. You go to the plus. I want you to type in column. Okay. And then select this column and select the 33, 33, 33. Boom. All right. Click update. And then what I want you to do is click this plus right here. And I want you to type in the word image. Then select where it says image right there. Go ahead and select that. Same thing here. Click plus, image, plus, image. Okay, now what we're going to do is I'm going to go grab some images off my hard drive, which I made in Photoshop, real basic images. But if you have a graphic designer, somebody that could give you some nice images, you could hook it up. So let's go ahead and go to upload. And I'm going to grab my live webcast image and upload it there. Then I'm going to go upload and I'm going to grab my small groups image. Grab that. And then I'm going to upload my church podcast image. And I'm going to click update. All right. And then we're going to go ahead and refresh our website. And there's our 3 images. Now, if you notice, they're not straight. They're to the left. So how do you get them to line up? What you want to do is you want to come here, you click on the image. See these lines right here? You click that and you choose align center. Boom. Click the image, click these lines, align center, click the image, click the lines, align center. You click update. Go over here to your website, click refresh. Now they're plush. All right, we're making progress. Remember, this is our goal. We're getting there. We are getting there. I need to take a look and see why this image has not uploaded yet. Just take a look real quick here. Let me see real quick why it hasn't uploaded yet. Let's see. Okay, JPEG. Let me try it one more time. Upload. Update. I'm not sure for sure why it hasn't uploaded yet. It should have been up by now. All right, I'll just let it give a little bit more time. All right, so now we got our images. Now, how do you put the writing underneath the images? All you got to do is I'm going to copy this writing. I'm going to copy it, save a little time. You go back to your website. And then what you want to do, see your image? Right underneath it is a black, you click it, there's a black box. You click that, and then you click paragraph. And then you just start typing. Tune into our live webcast. Boom. Now I'm going to paste the other one so that I copy from the other website just to save some time. You say tune into our live webcast, and I just erased this. I just wanted to show you how the typing will look when you type. And you can put every Sunday morning, 9 a.m. To center it, you click on it, click these lines, click Align Text Center. Boom. All right, so let's go ahead and grab this other one here. I'm going to copy and paste it, save a little time. Boom, copy and paste it. So I copied it. Once again, you click the image, click the black plus, click paragraph, and I'm just going to paste it. Boom. Then I'm going to click on the text, go to these lines right here, and click Align Center. Let's do the same thing with Church Podcast. I'm going to grab this text, copy it, and you can put whatever text you want. It doesn't have to be what I'm typing. This is just how you do it. Okay. I want you to be creative. I'm showing you the basics on how to do it, but you can put whatever you want. Okay. So I click the image, click the black plus, click paragraph, and click paste. And then to center it, I click on the text, click the lines, align text center, update. All right. Let's go to our website, click refresh. There's our image, and there's our welcome to the cool church, the church that is on the move for God. And man, that looks nice. That looks really nice. All right. So now that our image is uploaded, let's go ahead and fix it to where we're gonna put the writing. Now you see how it has this little yellow effect? That's cool, huh? Ours is more like a purple. Let me see if I could see if we could work something like that. Let me see. Let me see. Let me. I'm just probably gonna leave it. Let me see. And yeah, let me just leave it. All right. I'm just gonna leave it because I don't want to take too much of your time. All right, so let's go ahead and click update. We're just gonna leave it like this. But it looks nice. It looks cool. Looks cool. It looks cool. It looks all right. This one looks cool though, with the little yellow effect. But okay, so how do you put the writing, this writing right here, on the image? So let's go ahead and do that. The way you do that, see where it says write title? You click there. You just type in my cool church. Boom. And I click update. And you could type in, I'm going to paste it. I'm just going to copy it. So right the way you put the text underneath, you go up to your last word, click enter, and see the little black plus. You click that, and you click paragraph, and you start typing, which I'm just going to paste what I already have. And then you click on the text because I'm going to center it now. Click these lines, align text center. Okay, to make the text bigger, let's click on it. Go over here where it says preset size. You can do normal. You can do medium. You can do large, or you could dial it in by choosing the numbers over here. I like 20. Let's go with 25. Click update. Let's go to our website and click refresh. Let's see how it's looking. Ooh, that's rocking. Come on, man, that's rocking. Okay, now let's add the button. We're going to add the little button right here, little button. The way you do that is you go after your last word, click enter, click the plus, black plus, and I want you to type in button right there. And then click the button option, and there's your button right here to the left. So you could say watch now, or you could type whatever you want. Watch live now. That'll be cool. Okay, and then to center it, you click the button. See these lines right here? Click align center. All right, to change the color, let's make it red. So you click on the button. See how these options showed up over here? When you click it, click the button, the option showed up over here. So you click color settings, and our text, we want it to be white, and our button, we want it to be red. Ooh, that's rocking. You click update. Go ahead and refresh your website. Come on, man. You got a professional website. That's rocking right there. That's just that right there is rocking. And you did all this for how much? Free. Okay, so now I really like that. I kind of like it better than this. That's this looks plush. That looks nice. Okay, so now we got My Cool Church. We got join us every Sunday at 9 a.m. for our live webcast. Watch live now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna link this button to our live webcast page. There's nothing on our live webcast page yet, but that's okay. So let's go ahead and do that. The way you link it is you click the button. See that chain, this little link right here? You click that. And then what I want you to do is go to your website. See where it says live webcast? I want you to visit that page. Just click on it. Go to the top up here and copy your link. Right click, copy on your mouse. Or you can control C. I'm not for sure. I think Mac is Command C. So you select it and do Command C. You get this link. You go back to where your button is at on your home page. And I want you to drop that link in this box right here. And then you click the arrow. And then you click update. Okay. And you go back to your home page. Let's go to our home page. Now, when you click watch live now, watch what happens. It takes you to the live webcast page, which we're going to put a video in, but we'll get there. All right. So now our home page looks really nice. And then we're going to add this welcome video right here. How do you add this video? Well, the way you do that is you go down, you scroll down, and you want to click plus, and you want to do cover again. So type in COVER, and you select cover right here. All right. And then we're just going to go with a nice little, maybe green. Let me see how green looks. Maybe not green. Let's go with a different color. Replace. Let me go with a different color. So let's go ahead and take that out. Remove block. Hit plus, and then you go with cover, and then you pick a color. Whatever color you want, you could choose it from here. Maybe the gray might look nice. That looks decent. It could be a little darker. That would be cool. But maybe I'll go with the gray for now. I want something a little darker. Let me try one more color. Sorry about that. Let me try one more. Let me remove this. Remove it. And then let's go. Okay, click the black plus. Choose cover. And maybe like maybe an orange. Or maybe this. Maybe this. Uh, I'm not feeling it. But anyways, I'll just pick any color for now. Okay. So once you decide on the color you like, I'm gonna click update. We're gonna click refresh. Let me see how it looks. Maybe a red. Uh, I'm gonna go with the light gray. Let me change it to that light gray. So let me just get rid of this. Let me replace. Let me remove actually. Okay, black plus cover. I'm gonna go with that light gray. Where's that light gray? I'm gonna go with that gray right there. Boom. That's what I'm gonna go with. Okay, click update. Now, the way you add the video is you want to click right here. Okay. And you want to do the plus. See that blue plus? Click that. And then I want you to type in the word column. columns, and then select columns, and then select the 70/30. Let's go ahead and select that. I'm sorry about that. You got to select the 3 columns, not the select 3. Okay, so I selected the wrong ones. So let's go ahead and delete these columns. The way you delete the columns is you click on it. You got to click around it. Okay, click the 3 dots and click remove block. And then click these 3 dots and remove block. All right, I want to select the 3 columns. Sorry about that. There we go. And then you click update. All right, now what I want to do is in the middle, I'm going to add a video, but I'm going to go to YouTube and get what video I want to add. You can add whatever video you want. As long as you can upload it to YouTube, you can you can film it on your phone, you can film it on your camera, however you want to do it. You could add whatever video you want. That's the cool thing. And YouTube is, how much does YouTube cost? Free. So let's go ahead and grab a video. Say I want this video here. So I'm going to click share, and then I'm going to click copy. So you do this with every video you want from YouTube. You click share and you click copy. Then you go back and you click the plus, and I want you to type in video. Right? Click YouTube, and I want you to paste that URL right there where it says embed. Paste it right there. Watch what happens. Your nice video shows up. Now, the reason I did the 3 columns is we're going to use our columns to resize the video. See how it looks really small? So I'm going to update it, and I'm going to show you how it looks on our actual website. Let's go ahead and take a look. See how small it looks? If you want it small like that, that's cool because it's a welcome video. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. The way you do that is I'm going to select this column here. When you select it, there's a blue box that shows up around it. And over here on the right, it says percentage width. Click that and drag it. Okay, drag it till about 20. Okay, so you could dial it in with the arrows. So let's go to about 20. Okay. And same thing with the one on the right. Click it, make the blue arrow, blue box shows up around it, and let's take it to 20. See how your video is getting bigger? It's cool, huh? So I'm gonna take it to 20. Boom, and click update. Now let's take a look and see how big our video is now. I'm gonna refresh our website by clicking this circle right here. Ooh, that's rocking. That is rocking. And I like that gray background. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling that gray background. Okay, so now how do we get the typing on top of the video? See how it says hello and welcome? I'm just going to copy this, save you some time. Now, how do you get the typing? What you want to do, see where it says add title? You can click that and you can just paste. Boom. You want to make it smaller? You just highlight it. Come on over here, hit normal. You can go medium. You can go large, however you want to do it. You can make it big like that. Okay, so then you click update, click refresh. There it is. Hello and welcome to our website. We hope you enjoy your visit. If you have questions, please feel free to contact us at Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. So this could be like a welcome video. This could be a shout out from your pastor. It could be a welcome from your newcomers team saying, hey, thank you for stopping by our website. Please feel free to contact us. We hope you enjoy our live webcast. If you have any questions, you could whatever you want to do. You could make the video whatever you want. It could be a testimony video. It could be a praise report video. It could be a testimony. It could be an update, testimony, praise report, shout out, greeting, whatever you want to do. But I showed you how to put the video. Tell me that doesn't look that looks nice. All right. So when you hit play, guess what? The video plays, and it's all on YouTube for free. There it is. Nice. Okay, so there it is. There's your homepage, baby Bubba. That's looking nice. And you've done all this for how much so far? Free. All right, let's build your live webcast page. How do you do that? So let's go ahead and click the W. Go to live webcast. Let me get some water real quick while the page is loading. Okay. The way you build your live webcast page is you just go where your page is, live webcast, and then start typing. You could click there and say, welcome to our live webcast. We are live every Sunday at 9 a.m. You can say, boom. And there you go. And you just click update. Now, to get your live feed, I'm going to show you something that's pretty cool. You got to have a YouTube account. Now, what you want to do is you want to go to YouTube. Okay. Do you see where it says the plus right there? See that little plus at the top right? Click go live. So now when you go live on YouTube, your video is going to show up on your live webcast page. Okay, so you're on YouTube, right? And say your service is Sunday morning, 9 a.m., and you want to go live at that time. So whatever you broadcast on YouTube at that time will be live on your website. How do you set that up? You go where it says schedule stream to the right. Okay, and then you just click create new. And then it's gonna ask for a title. So you could put Sunday morning celebration service. Boom. And you go down and say it's going to be Sunday the 25th at say 9 a.m. So let's go ahead and go put that in 9 a.m. Boom. All right. Is it made for kids? No. Okay. And then you just click create stream. So it's going to take a little bit, like 15 seconds or so. Okay. Now there's your stream. Sunday morning celebration service. So now whenever you go live on that Sunday, this is your live feed. So we're going to take this feed and we're going to put it in our website. How do you do that? Click the image. See this arrow here? Click that arrow. Then I want you to click right here, this copy. Click that. Click that little squares, copy video link. Okay. Go back to your live webcast page. And then after your last word, just click enter. And then click the plus. Click video or YouTube. Get that URL and paste it right in that block and click embed. Okay, click update and click, let's go ahead and refresh our live webcast page. Take a look at it. There's your live webcast feed. So if I click start, it's going to tell me it's not live yet. It's going to be live in 3 days, Sunday, October 25th. So people could watch your live webcast right here on your website. Now, if you want to get rid of this stuff on the side, me personally, this one looks okay, but I think the less distractions, the better. So to get rid of that stuff on the side, you go to your page. Remember, you click anywhere up here, go to page layout, and you click no sidebars. And then you click update. All right. And then you click refresh. Now you got a nice big video they can watch. Woo-hoo. So they could watch it big like that. And you could resize it like I showed you the other way when you put the 3 columns, put the video in the middle and resize it. You could do it like that too. But that's nice and big right there. Now, if you want to put an image, say you want to put an image after your on the top right here. Okay. So what you can do is you go to after your last words, click enter, click the black plus, select image. Then I'll go get an image from my hard drive. Just say I want a live webcast image. Say I got this image right here. Okay. And I just put the image, click update. And you could do it like that, make it look kind of little nice, You don't have to put the image. You could just leave it without it, whatever you like best, you know. Me personally, I think I'm filling it without the image. Let me see here. Let me see. Yeah, I kind of like it without the image. Yeah. Let me see if I could resize the image. Okay, to resize it, you click the image, click these little buttons. That might work. So you just slide and drag. Okay, and then to make it to the left, click the lines and align left. Boom. Then it goes to the left. That might be cool. So let me click update. I might like that better. I wasn't feeling that big image like that. I'm not feeling it. Hit refresh. Okay, it got rid of my image anyway. All right, so let me spread it out a little bit. Click update. I kind of like it without the image. I don't know why the image disappeared. Oh, there it is. Oh, wait. Oh, is it behind the video? I don't know. I think it's there. It's just not showing up. See how it goes and then it disappears? I'm not sure why it's doing that. Let me see if I make it bigger. Let me see, refresh. Yeah, I'm not for sure why it's doing that. So let me just go ahead and get rid of this image anyway, because I'm not. Let me. Okay, maybe it looks. Maybe let me see. I think it looks better without the image. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like that. It looks better without the image. But if you want to put an image, you can do it like that. All right. So now you got your live webcast page. So when you go live, you're live on your website. So let's go to our home page. Looking good. Looking good. Now, what we want to do is we want to link these images to the pages. So let's go ahead and link these images. How do you do that? Okay, we're going to go to our dashboard by clicking the W, and then you go to your home page, click Edit with Block Editor. And then what you want to do, same thing I showed you before, how you linked your button. You want to click on the image and see that little chain link. You click that, and we want our live webcast page. So you go to your website, visit your live webcast page, copy this link, that link, and you drop it in the box there, paste it, and you hit the arrow. Do the same thing with the small groups. Click the image, click the link, visit the small groups page, copy the URL, okay, put it in the box here, and you click the arrow. Same thing with church podcast. Click the link. You go to the church podcast page. Boom. Go and grab that URL up there. Okay. And I paste it here. Boom. Copy is Control C. On a Mac, it's Command C. And then to paste is Control V. And I believe on the Mac, it's Command V. All right. So you click Update. Let's go ahead and refresh our home page. So now when I click one of these images, it takes me to that actual page. Go to home page. I want to visit the live webcast. I click it. Takes me to the live webcast. That's rocking. All right, let's go ahead and do our blog page. Wow, this is some good stuff, all for free. Let me get some water. You have learned how to do all this for how much? Free. All right. Next page we want to work on is our blog page. So you want to go to your, click the W. Now, you want to go to post right here. See where it says post? Click there. See where it says hello world? Go ahead and trash that. Okay. Then I want you to click add new, and we're going to write a blog right now. That's all you got to do is write a blog. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to call this add title. We're going to call it my first blog. Okay. And then you just go down here and you start typing. Hello, everyone. Thanks for stopping by our blog page. We hope that you are blessed and get encouraged or something like that. Okay. So then you just start writing your blog and then say it's a testimony. It could be an update, it could be a praise report, it could whatever you want it to be. So I'm just going to copy what I wrote and I'm going to act like I'm writing a lot more stuff. So I'm just going to paste it. Boom. Just going to paste it like I'm writing a blog. Hit enter, paste it again, hit enter, paste it again. So say that's my blog. I click publish. And there you go. You got a blog. That's your first blog. You just go to your blog page. Boom. There it is. People want to read it. You click read more. That's it. Simple. Now, if you want to add another blog, you go to your click the W, take you to your dashboard, and you just click, you make sure you're on post, click add new, and you could title this my second blog. Or you could title it testimony from the mission field. Let's try that. Testimony from the field. So say it's a testimony of a missionary. Okay, you got your title. Now you want to start writing. Hello, everyone. Here is a powerful testimony from one of our missionaries. Missionaries. I don't know. Let me see. Missionaries on the mission field about how God is changing lives. Okay, boom. So you just keep writing, boom, 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 boom. But I'm just going to copy and paste. You write as much as you want. It's your blog. You can do whatever you want. So I'm just going to paste, boom, boom, boom. Click enter, paste, boom, boom, boom. paste again, and there's my blog. You write as much as you want. Of course, you won't paste. You'll be writing unique content. You click publish, publish again, go to your blog page, click refresh. I'm sorry, go to your blog page. Actually, there you go. Click blog up here. And now you got your first blog and testimony from the field. And you write as many blogs as you want. Now, your blog page, I like this stuff on the left, on the right, because it shows you your recent posts. So then they could click that and read your recent post. So I like it for the blog page. They could just click it. And this automatically updates. So whenever you write a new blog, this updates automatically. Isn't that so cool? All right, let's go to your small groups page. How do you do that? Go back to our dashboard, click the W, and let's go to pages. And let's add a small groups page. So you click edit with block editor. Okay. And then your small groups page is going to load up. And you can say join, or you say please feel free to join us for one of our small groups, which could be like your Bible studies, life groups, whatever you call them, home cells, whatever you want to call them. Okay. Cell group. All right. So let's change the size. Let me go with maybe medium. That's pretty cool. Let me see, maybe 25. Yeah, let's go with 25. Click update. Now, what you want to do is go after your last words, click enter, and then click the blue. And then I want you to type in column, not blue, sorry. Yeah, click the blue plus, and then type in columns. Okay, select columns and click the 3 columns here. Boom. And the reason we're going to do that is we're going to list our small groups in categories of 3. So all you got to do is click the plus and you click paragraph. You start typing. You say the name of your small group. Okay, so we say the cool small group. Boom. You could say when, every Wednesday. Say where. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 Trekker Road. Oops, 4 Trekker Road. Corner of 4 Trekker and McDonald. Okay, then you could say, oops, you could say uh, contact, phone number, church phone number, 407 9474. Okay, then you could bold the name of your small group. Okay, put like that, highlighted, click the B, and you click update. And then you just do that for all your small groups. So say I got another small group, I'm just going to copy and paste this. So then I hit the plus, hit the paragraph, then I hit paste, plus, paragraph. I'm just pasting. Of course, you would type, different titles. Like this could be the radical small group. I'll just change the name for you. This could be the on fire small group. Of course, you change all the information. Then you click update. And then you go to your small groups page. And you click it. There you go. Man, that's rocking. And you got a list of small groups. And you could just list as many as you want. So people want to find out where your small groups are. There you go. You could even put a little picture, at the top, like I did with the live webcast. However you want to do it. Let me see if I can add a picture real quick. So I'll go after the words, click plus, click the black plus, click image, and then I click upload and go get an image from my hard drive. Let me try this image here. That looks cool. Okay, then you click update, and you click refresh, and then the image shows up. Now your image could be, that's tight. I like that. Your image could be someone sitting at a house reading the Bible, or like a group of people sitting at a house reading the Bible. You could, whatever image you want. Like I said, if you have a good graphic designer, they could put a nice image for you, that relates to small groups. But that looks cool. That's decent. I like that. That's rocking. All right. A virtual small group where they have small group uh, through Zoom. Come on, somebody. That's tight. All right, so let's go ahead and do our podcast page. So now we got our homepage, live webcast, We got a blog page. We got a small groups page. Now let's add our podcast page. And remember, our goal was this, right? I think we did pretty good so far. Let's go back to what we got. I think ours looks a little bit better, to be honest. Come on, somebody. Yeah, I was feeling this image, but now I'm really feeling this one. Woo, that's rocking with the little red button. That's tight. All right, so let's go ahead and click the W. And now we want to fix up our podcast page. So you click Edit with Block Editor. Now, in order to have a podcast page, you need to have a podcast service. There are free services like Podbean, um, Anchor, so you can get a free podcast. So I already have one that I pay for, which is Spreaker. So I'm going to go ahead and log into that. Main thing you need is your RSS feed. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my account and get my RSS feed. I have a podcast I do every week called the Rise Up Radio segment. So whatever you set up your podcast with, if it's with Anchor, Podbean, if you want to do a free service, they will give you an RSS feed. Okay. And so I'm going to go ahead and get my RSS feed. I'm going to log into my account. Boom. Okay, let me go here. My podcast. Okay, then I'm going to click, see where it says RSS feed. I'm going to click that. And then at the top right there, I'm just going to grab that URL. Boom, like that. Or another way, your service might do it if you click here, view and edit, and you might have something that says RSS link. You click that and you click copy. So as long as you get your RSS feed, like mine's Spreaker, yours might be a different service, but it's pretty much the same thing, the same process. Okay. So I'm going to get that RSS feed, and then you could type in here, welcome to our live, or welcome to our church podcast. Okay. Boom. And then you click enter and you click the black plus, and then you want to type in RSS. Select that RSS, and then that URL that you got the URL for your RSS feed, the URL, you want to paste that right in here. Boom. And you click use URL, and then your podcast will automatically upload. See how it uploaded it? And the cool thing about an RSS feed is it updates automatically. So whenever you do a live podcast or a new podcast, it automatically updates. So if I go to your podcast page, oops, that's the wrong website. Let's go to this one. If I go to the podcast page, there it is. Now, if I add a new podcast, it's going to update automatically. Isn't that cool? So let me go ahead and close this. Close that. And like I said, you can get a free podcast with Anchor. I think Podbean offers free. I'm not for sure Spreaker offers free, but I know Anchor's free. Okay, and all you need is your RSS feed, and you could put it on your page. That looks nice. So let me see if I can put a little image real quick. I like it like how it is, but let me just see how it would look with the image. So once again, you go after your last word, hit enter, hit the black plus. You go to image, and then I go to my hard drive and grab an image. Let me just see how it looks. I kind of like it without the image, but let's see how it looks with the image. Okay, gonna click update. Let's go to the podcast page, click refresh. Oh, that's tight too, though. I like that. That's rocking. That's rocking. Let's leave that. So there it is. Man, that's rocking. All right, so now you got a home page, which is rocking. You got a live webcast page. You got a blog page. You got a small groups page. You got a podcast page. Now let's make your contact us page. And this is how your contact us page is going to look. This is our goal right here. Okay, boom. All right, so let's go to our website. Once again, this is our goal website, and this is our website. So the way you fix your contact us page, you go to the W, which is going to take you to your dashboard. Go to your contact us page. Man, this website is rocking right here. This is rocking. And you did all this for free. For free. Okay, let me go back. All right, so you're on your contact us page. What I want you to do is I want you to go to a place called Jotform, JOTFORM.com. Okay, now I'm a member. I have a paid service, but they have a free service also. So see if you click where it says pricing. Okay, you got free, and then bronze, silver, gold. So you could get 5 forms for free. So all you got to do is set up your account. So just go ahead and set up an account. Okay, let me close this. Let me go back. Sorry about that. Job form. Okay. So what you want to do is go ahead and sign up. Okay, now I'm going to log into my account because I already have one. Okay, now once you sign up, you're going to get a page that looks like this. You're probably not going to have any forms. I have a lot of forms. You're probably not going to have any. So just go ahead and click create form. Okay, and then I'm going to go to a form that I already have. So I'm going to click edit form. Okay, so when you click create form, it's probably going to give you a blank page with none of this on it. Now, to start adding things, all you got to do is go where it says add form element. You click there. See where it says full name? Just click, drag, and drop. That's it. I'm going to delete it because I already have names, so I'm going to delete it. That's all you got to do. If you want their email, you click, drag, drop, and then it asks for their email. I'm going to delete that. You want their phone number, you just click, drag, drop. Okay. Now, the way I did this, how did you hear about us? I scrolled down and I got multiple choice. I clicked, dragged, and dropped. And then for where it says type of question, I typed, how did you hear about us? And then for the options, I just clicked on it, typed in flyer. The next option, I typed in rate. You could put radio. Next option, you could put website. Next option, you could put television. And you just do it like that. If you want to add an option, you just click add option. You could write another one. Okay, I'm going to delete it because I already have one. And then you have a submit button. And you're good to go. And it automatically saves. As you update it, it automatically saves. So whatever you want to ask them for, you just click drag and drop. I like to keep the contact form simple: name, email, phone, how'd you hear about us? That gives us a way to get a hold of them, and then we can find out more information after we get a hold of them. If you put too much stuff, then it's like people don't want to fill out a whole complicated form. So I like personally just to keep it simple. That's my opinion. Okay. And there you go. So now how do you put this form on your website? You go to publish, see where it says embed, click there. See where it says copy code, you click that. And you go back to your website, to your contact us page, and you click the black plus, and you want to type in that box HTML. Right in that box up there, you type in HTML, then you select custom HTML. The code you just copy, I want you to paste it in this box right there and click update. Okay, so now when we go to our contact us page, watch what happens. There's a nice form, the form we just created. Isn't that rocking? That's rocking. So there's our contact us page. We put the form in there. Go back to our dashboard. Here's all of our pages. And there's our website. So if you go to our home page, looking really nice. So that's rocking. You go to our live webcast page. We can view our live webcast right here. And let me just show you one more bonus thing I wasn't going to show you, but let me show you really quick. If I go to pages, right, and I go to live webcast and I click edit with block editor, I can add a contact us button on our live webcast page. You can even add a giving button. So say I'm watching your webcast. If I go down here, see this black plus, I click that, and I type in button. If you have a giving service, let me select button, do two buttons like that. That's tight, right? So one could be contact us and one could be giving. So let's go ahead and choose the two buttons. So this one's going to be give now. This one's going to be contact us. Let me change the color. Let me change it to white. Okay, the way you change it is color settings, text color, white. Okay, so let's just put contact us. That's rocking. Okay, now to make it go to the contact us page, you click the button. See the link right there? Remember how I told you to add the pages, how I showed you? So I'm going to go to my contact us page. I'm going to grab this URL. I'm going to copy it, Control C, PC, Command C on a Mac, and then I'm going to paste it right there. Control V, PC, Command V, Mac, hit the arrow, boom. Now, if you have a giving service like PayPal or you have a giving page, you just link this button to your giving page. I'm just going to use PayPal, so let me click the link And I'll just type in the PayPal URL, paypal.com. Boom. All right. Then I click update. So now the cool thing is when I go to your live webcast page, not only can I watch your service, but I can give or I can contact you. That is rocking. And I'm going to close it up with this. When I click this giving button, watch where it takes me. It takes me to the PayPal, right? But it took me off of my feed. I don't want that. How do you keep them watching your feed and take them to your giving page or your contact us page? You click this button, see where it says open a new tab, click that. See where it says contact us, click the button, open a new tab, and then you click update. Now, when I refresh my live webcast and I want to give now, watch when I click it. I'm still watching your service, I'm still jamming, and it takes me to your giving page. Come on, somebody. Tell me that is not rocking. If I want to contact you, I just click the contact us. I'm still able to listen to your service and I can fill out your contact form. Now, let me just share this also. I see a lot of churches, let me close this, promoting their services on social media. Watch us on social media. My opinion, you don't want to send people to social media. You want to send them to your website. You go to social media, promote your services, promote your revivals, promote your discipleships, promote your gatherings, but you want to get people from social media to your website. You don't want them watching your service on social media. Why? Because they can't read your blog. See, I'm watching you. I could read your blog. I could go to your small groups page. I can check out your podcast. I can contact you. And not only that, but the best part is I can give also. Hello, somebody. I mean, maybe that's not the best part, but that's pretty good for if you're trying to build a church. You need finances. So, one of the best things is you can also give. You can't give on social media. You have to log out. You have to click a link that, we have to post for you. Then, once you click the link, it takes you off Facebook or whatever you're watching on. It takes you away from it. But you don't want people to go away from your feed. You want them to stay on your feed and you want them to be able to give from your website. Not only can I give, I can contact you. So that's rocking. That is rocking. And I see a lot of churches promoting their stuff on social media. Watch us on this social media platform. That's cool, but you want to be telling them to watch you on your website. And then you have a nice little button when you lead people to your website, watch live now. And it takes them right to your page, which is actually a YouTube feed, but they're watching YouTube from your website. So if I'm witnessing to someone at my school, at my job, at my university, I don't have to say, well, go to this social media, type in number 2.4 underscore. It's too complicated. I could just simply say, go to theradicalchurch.com. Or in case if you have a free website, you would say, go to webinarchurchwebsite.siterubics.com. Preferably you'll have your own domain, but for free, okay, cool. It's still better than go to this social media platform and then you got to search for your church and then you got to uh, there's a lot of distractions on social media because you're looking for your church. Then I'm like, oh, look at that cool picture. Look at that cool picture. It's just too many distractions. So the best thing to do is to lead them to your website. Now, if you want to go to another level and pay for a website, then you get your own domain name, which is going to cost you, but everything I showed you, you can do for free. But if you want to get your own domain, then you can say, hey, check out my church, theonfirechurch.com. And then they come to your church, boom, they come to your website, boom, watch live, they watch your service. Not only that, they want to check out your small groups. They can do that. They just click your small groups. They want to listen to your podcast. They just click podcast. They're in the zone. They want to contact you. They click contact us. There's your contact us page. Wow. That's exciting. I got a little excited. But now, if you don't have a church, if you don't have a website for your church, I just showed you how to get one for free. And let me just tell you this. Social media is leased property. Your website is property you own. If your social media account shuts down, then what do you do? But your website you own, you could put whatever you want. I hope this helps you to get excited about getting your own church's website. I just showed you how to get one for free. Yes, it is a subdomain, but hey, if you don't have a website yet, you can get started with a subdomain for free. Eventually, you want to get your own domain. thecoolchurch.com, or whatever name of your church is, the basketweavingchurch.com, the onfirechurch.com. You want to get your own domain eventually, but this can get you started. If you have any questions, hit me up, Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. Let me see you, peoples. Let me see you really quick. Let me set it up so I can see you. If you got any questions, hit me up. You can hit me up at Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. That's Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. Let me see if I can even put it on the screen for you. Let me see if I can show it for you. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. That's my email. I want to help you out. If you have any questions, you need help getting your website set up, hit me up 24/7. I might not respond right away, but shoot me an email. Let me show you one more time how your website will look for free from scratch for your church. You got a home page looking really nice. You got a live webcast page looking really nice. You got a blog page. Come on, somebody. You got a small groups page. That's rocking. You got a podcast page. Hello. And you got a contact us page. It's time to take your church's online presence to another level. Hit me up if you have any questions. It's your boy, Pastor Dre. God bless you.